Just finished a Coursera course and got your certificate, but you're not sure how to add it to LinkedIn the right way? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add your Coursera certificate to your LinkedIn profile so recruiters can actually see it. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer, so if you plan to earn multiple certificates, that can be one of the cheapest legit ways to do it. First, open Coursera, go to your completed course, and open your certificate page. What you need is the public certificate link because that's what LinkedIn uses as proof. On mobile, it may look different, but you're looking for the page that shows your name, the course title, and a shareable URL. Next, go to LinkedIn and open your profile. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section, then click the plus button to add a new certification. In the name field, type the exact course name from Coursera. For the issuing organization, use Coursera. Then select the issue date, usually the month you completed it. Now paste your Coursera certificate link into the Credential URL field. This is the most important part because it lets recruiters click and verify your certificate instantly. If Coursera provides a credential ID, you can add it, but if you don't see one, you can leave it blank and the URL still works. After saving, double-check that it shows up correctly on your profile. If you want extra visibility, add it to your featured section too, so it's one of the first things people notice. You can also mention it in your About section or add the skill keywords you learned. But keep it simple and focus on what you can actually do now, not just the certificate title. If you want to earn more Coursera certificates faster and check the cheapest official Coursera Plus pricing in your country, I'll put my link in the description.